Hi superstars! Today I'll be showing you how to make cookies with just 4 ingredients. First, you'll get your butter into a bowl. We'll be using half cup of butter for this recipe. Add a quarter cup of sugar. Then mix the sugar and butter in the bowl. When the sugar and butter mix starts getting fluffy, you add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you continue stirring it. Finally, my superstars, our mix is now fluffy. So we are going to start adding our flour. We'll add 1 cup of flour to the mix and stir it in. We want to mix the flour to the butter and sugar mix. We want to mix it till we get a dough. So my superstars, while mixing, I added a teaspoon of milk to our mix and continued mixing it to get our dough. While mixing it, I discovered the consistency was too soft, so I added a teaspoon of flour and continued mixing so as to have a dough. At some point, I had to use my hand to ensure it mixed perfectly, and even with that, it was still too sticky, so I added 1 more teaspoon of flour to have a more consistent dough. So my superstars, gradually we are having a smooth and beautiful dough. Okay, so next I had oiled my pan and kept parchment papers on top of the pan. Right now we are rolling our dough into sizes. We want to get our cookie size, and I used a fork right there to design our cookie. That's our first cookie right there. At this point, my superstars, you can mold your cookie into any shape or design you want it. So I had made the first design. Right now I want to try out another design. Okay, so that's another design right there, and then keep it nicely on the parchment paper. On my superstars, when you are doing this, please make sure that they are all of equal thickness. If not, when you're baking, some cookies will get well baked before others, so they should all be of equal thickness. I'm trying out different shapes and design, and right now I want to make a love shape. And look at that, it came out beautifully. So I'm molding other patterns and design of cookies. I want to make it look fun and beautiful. So I'm trying to mold different design of cookies. I continued molding different shapes, and this is the final result right here. As you can see, I made different shapes and sizes. I made rectangular shape, circular shape. I even made teddy face. Did you see that? I made love shape, circular shape, oval shape, different shapes of cookies. So right now we'll be tossing this into the oven at a low temperature. My superstars, my oven has no temperature control, so I kept it at the least temperature and closed the oven. I left it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and then brought it out to check it out, and voila, my cookies were ready. As you can see, it's looking milky with a little touch of brownishness. Looks good, my superstars. When I tested this, you won't believe it. It was so milky, yummy, and buttery on my tongue. It melted nicely on my tongue. Superstars, look at that. You can serve this to guests whenever you have visitors. You can keep it and snack on it. You can see it's soft and delicious. Oh my god, it tasted like the conventional cookies you buy from the supermarket. Okay, my superstars, let me know when you try this out. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Please like and share this video. Thank you. Until our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Mwah.